I finally got it on the first try. Pardon some additional congestion, I'm still working off this head cold. I have a long-running mental block with Whitestone Dome. It's a me problem. I don't always do the best job following instructions. I feel a lot of techies resemble that last comment. There's nothing difficult about the process of installing a Whitestone Dome screen protector, but they are a little fiddly to set up. You need to take your time, follow the steps, you should be good. Especially for the newer kits that have a better tray and a better dropper mechanism. When we're talking about curved screens and devices that have in-display fingerprint sensors, there really is no better solution for protecting your phone with a nice, pretty glass screen protector. So after I spruced up my OnePlus 9, the folks at Whitestone Dome reached out again about the Pixel 6 Pro. And again, I'm glad they did, because at launch, I had to order a really lame plastic screen protector. And this is just so much better. My main failure with my OnePlus 9 was finding out my desk not quite level. So it almost dumped the fluid off the side of the phone. And from there, I forgot to center the fluid before dropping the guard. Same installation process here. You cover the ports, you drop some fluid, center that fluid, and then drop the glass into place. Then a little UV lamp cures the fluid and locks everything together. And it's so much prettier. It's the best solution I found, and it fits around the screen well, especially for cases. You know, that might have been a concern. The edge on the guard has just a little bit of a lip, but it's not as concerning as close-up photography might make it look. The fun bit here, where Whitestone Dome has zero faith in people like me, this kit is a little spendy, but you get 2 glass screen protectors and 3 bottles of fluid. You can screw up quite a bit and still get a functional guard on your phone. But I got it right this time on the first try, and I'm really proud of myself. One minor gripe. I really liked the camera guard that came with the OnePlus 9 Pro kit. I loved the look of it and that it cut out around the camera sensors. I don't even know if you can see this on the video, but the guard on the Pixel 6 Pro is just a single sheet of plastic that covers the sensors. It's got a cutout for the flash and the microphone, but not for the cameras. So I wish this piece was a little bit more like the guard from their other kit. Other than that, I'm very happy. So I want to use the end of this video to address a few of the comments, some of the reactions I've gotten on my previous videos. Things like, this is too complicated, or it's just too expensive. And I feel there's some perspective missing in this conversation. On the first point, yeah. It is more involved than just sticking on an adhesive glass protector, but I have had issues with other cheaper protectors reducing the effectiveness of the fingerprint sensor, and I've had a few that have some odd artifacting issues, either more distortion on the curves of the screen or a pattern in the glass almost like graph paper. The Whitestone Dome is some of the prettiest and clearest glass I've come across in all of my searching for protecting our phones. And yes, compared against the cheapest solutions I can find on Amazon, this seems a little pricey, but I think that's buffered by the pair of protectors you get in the box. And above all, I just want these options to get a little more attention. We've all had those family members come home from getting a new phone at a carrier store and getting a cheap protector applied at the carrier store at an exorbitant markup. I mean, Verizon still sells single screen protectors for 50 bucks or more, and those protectors can't be as good as this solution here. Curved screen phones incur slightly higher costs for accessories and support. It's an option I can easily recommend to family and friends. It's one of the best solutions you can find for keeping your screen pretty, and the price slots in well considering the mini science lab that gets included in the box. And I got it done on the first try. I will, of course, leave some links down below where you can find more information on Whitestone Dome glass screen protectors, some of their other products for folding phones and for smartwatches, some stuff you'll definitely want to check out. As always, thanks so much for watching, sharing these videos, subscribing to the channel. The support has been fantastic. I greatly appreciate people checking out the affiliate links or shopping some merch. That kind of stuff really does help keep production rolling on this channel. Check out SomeGadgetGuy.com for a full list of all my affiliates and partnerships, or you can join the list scrolling on your screen by checking out patreon.com/SomeGadgetGuy. This list is basically the coolest tech pals in the multiverse, so I hope you'll check them out. You know where to find me around the rest of the internet, at SomeGadgetGuy on the Twitters and the Twitch, first folks on the Instagrams, and I will catch you all on the next review.